So do you guys already have like a set of plans that somebody can basically use because you guys are federally approved? Or because I mean, I'm doing a couple of ADUs with the stick building process.
Hmm.
I know that they had to basically customize something and basically goes back and forth, back and forth.
Yeah.
So for somebody
So
like what you have to offer, how does that differ? Do you guys already have that? And is that something that they can check out like on
yeah,
your website?
most so the approval process with permitting is the same. I mean, you can custom design a manufactured home and submit
Oh,
it to a federal HUD building code,
mhm,
and they will make comments and it will go through federal HUD approval,
mhm.
the same way it would locally. But most ADU companies, and us included, don't actually operate that way. We, as you mentioned, have 9 different pre-architected, pre-engineered floor plans. This is really done to keep it simple for the customer and to save them money. Like, why spend money on an architect if you don't have to?
Every single time, you know? Yeah.
Yeah, so we have 9 floor plans that can fit your needs, whether it's a 1 bedroom, a 2 bedroom, or a 3 bedroom. If it's skinny and long, or if it's kind of more square and squat,
Yeah.
we have different designs that can fit all sorts of backyard shapes and all sorts of needs of families or investors.
Mhm.
So you can pick from a pre-architected, pre-engineered plan, save a lot of time and money on that design process.
Mhm.
And in many cases, it's pre-approved by HUD since we've done this model before.
Yeah, yeah,
You don't even have to go through much of a building department approval process there.
because it's already been approved,
Yeah, but
passed.
yes and no. Like they have to approve every single unit. It's just that the plans themselves have been pre-engineered and approved, so it's faster. They'll still review it. And then on top of that, you as a customer have the ability to customize and be flexible a bit within those plans. So while we have models that have been pre-architected and pre-engineered, you might want to swap out your countertops from Corian to quartz,
Mhm.
or that flooring you want to take from carpet to vinyl plank,
Yeah.
or you want to move a door 6 inches or change out that window for a different type of slider.
Mhm.
Those things have to be approved by HUD, just like they would at the local department. It's just a lot faster and easier because you have a base plan you're working off that's already been approved.
So how does that save the consumer money? Like, do you guys give those away with them signing a contract with you guys to actually build out the home, or is that something that they pay an additional fee but save the money via the architect and the stick figure building process?
Yeah, I mean, our base prices are just so much lower, and
Okay.
the reason for that is multifaceted. It's not just that our permitting process is more efficient. That is a part of it. And you're right that if you make too many modifications to a base plan, you will end up paying a premium for like the engineer we need to go hire to get your new plans approved.